Hey, Tom here from Tom's Tumbler and the Python series. We're coming out with a new line of conveyors that actually take away the flowers, or it can be used to take away the trim, and it'll go up a slate incline and then drop into a super sack or a much bigger barrel, so you don't have to keep changing out your totes. And this can, you can get another one of these that will take the trim away and put it into a super sack as well. It'll save a lot of time and a lot of manpower with these little things, so you don't have to have guys constantly, replacing those totes, because the Python trims so fast that the flower totes get filled up so quick you have to change them out. This will make it so you can put them into a super sack, all the flowers, the trim flowers that are coming out, as well as the the trim coming out the end over here. So that's it. That's our new conveyor systems. We have conveyors that will take away the keef, and we also have incline conveyors to feed the Python if you prefer to use a conveyor over the U-channel hopper series.